Hi, my name is Hari Priya. I'm from Kerala and currently I'm in UAE. Working as a digital marketer. And while joining the Digital Vidya, I have completed B.tech in electronics and communication. Then I worked there in Kerala as a electrical engineer for past 4 years. And I needed to switch my career. That's what I'm choosing this digital marketing course. Actually, my brother suggested me the Digital Vidya uh, for studying digital marketing. And after joining the course, I learned web designing. Currently, I design my website itself, and gradually I learned something about digital marketing because I'm not from the marketing field or business field. I just come from engineering department, and this was a really a big process to change my career. So after choosing Digital Vidya, I got a good mentors. That is the real heroes, I think, because they teach us everything about digital marketing from the day one to end. Actually, it helps me a lot, and after completing that, I get a job in digital marketing field itself. I'm really happy